Hey everyone, it's Raquel again here. Welcome to my YouTube. If you have not seen my videos yet, please make sure to check them out and subscribe if you like what you see. Today I will be doing a quick makeup tutorial on a cute summer vibe. Today I'm going to be using, as you see, I've already done my eyebrows. I already prepped my face. I already applied my moisturizer, my sunscreen. It's always very important to make sure that your face is good and prepped. You don't want to just right off the bat start applying your makeup because that's just going to clog your pores and it's not going to look as nice. We're going to be applying Goodbye Pores by Catrice. I think that's how you pronounce this brand. So I'm going to apply it. I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow primer, which I'm almost out of. And if you see me looking down, it's because I'm also looking at my mirror to get a better, closer look. So I prepped my eyes. I always like to do my eyeshadow first, just because sometimes you have fallout and it just messes up all the product. Today, I'm gonna be using ColourPop Cosmetics. I'm gonna start with this color right here. It doesn't have the names, but if you have this or similar colors, you can follow along.
So you're gonna apply that on your crease, kind of start blending it. This will kind of just prep the eyes.
You're gonna use the same brush and you're gonna apply a transition color, which I'm gonna be using this very pretty orangey color. You're also gonna apply this on your crease. Then I'm gonna switch brushes and I'm gonna use a Morphe brush, which looks just like this. I'm gonna apply this pretty cream color. I like this eyeshadow palette because it has like very cute matte eyeshadows, but at the same time it has a few shimmery colors that you can apply on your lid. I'm gonna be applying this very pretty gold color. Looks just like that on my lid. You just go all over. And if you want to, you can always wet the brush so it gives it more of a bright look, more shimmer. Next, I'm going to be applying this pretty dark brown color on the bottom of my eye. We are going to be applying liquid liner. So we're gonna just do that for now. I'm not gonna do the wing just yet. I just wanna make sure that I'm filling it in. Now I'm gonna do the wing here. And there you go. And I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner. Today I'm gonna be using my Smashbox eyeliner Always On gel liner, which is this right here. It came inside this cute eyeshadow palette by Smashbox. It's called LA Cover Shot Eye Palette, one of my favorites. I'm gonna be applying my little mascara. I really have no lashes right now because I had eyelash extensions and whoever the girl that did my lashes completely started cutting my real lashes. Now I'm over here doing home remedies and everything to try and get my real lashes to grow. So now you just wait. So one down. So we're gonna wait once again. Moving on. Let that dry for a little bit. And I strongly recommend when you apply lashes, carry glue with you, because sometimes if it's windy or if you have your windows down, your eyelash will kind of fall off. So you want to make sure you're prepped. All right, apply the foundation. I have been loving this foundation, and it's by Milani. I don't know if you guys watched the Jeffree Star Milani tutorial, but once I saw it, I ran to get it. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This is like one of the best drugstore foundations that I've used. So now we're going to be blending it. And it's okay if you get it in your hair. You can always go back with a makeup removing wipe and just kind of go over your hair a little bit to remove some of that makeup, especially if you're hairy like me. I'm gonna be using Tarte concealer. I always go back and forth between this one and my Fenty Beauty one too that I love. Concealer's done. I'm gonna be using my Hoola Benefit bronzer, one of my favorites. Some on your nose. It's time for blush, and I'm also gonna be using, I think this is also, well, this is by The Balm. It's the blush that I use. It looks just like this. My favorite part is the highlighter, and I'm using the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like my favorite all-time highlighter. I literally use it every single day, and I've had it for the longest time. If you want to look even more dewy, this is another tip. The lips. I always like to moisturize my lips with Vaseline too. This color by my favorite Jeffree Star. So this lipstick is called Pussy Whipped, and I just fell in love with the color. And this is what the lipstick looks like. Isn't it so pretty? It's like perfect for summer. That's what it looks like. If you guys want to add some more shimmer or gloss to your look, I recommend adding Lip Plumper and the color Gold Dust. And it looks just like this. This is like, I just bought this and I love it. And it will look so pretty with this, so you guys can see. Look at that, so beautiful. That's my tutorial for today, and I hope that you enjoyed it and that it helped. This is my final look. Let me look one last time before I'm done, okay? I know what y'all are gonna say. Oh, your eyeshadow's uneven. Well, guess what? Not anymore, because I'm gonna even it out. You can always go back at the end, make sure everything is even, put together. No biggie, you guys. Is that better? I just love these colors. And honestly, this was like only $16 and you can accomplish so many cute looks. Let me know if you guys want me to do another makeup look using this eyeshadow palette or using another eyeshadow palette, because I have lots. I just have a lot of them. But a lot of them are very like similar. For example, this Tartelette. See the similarities in the colors? This is one of my favorites also. I just love anything that has this kind of colors, like the transition colors, because these are like my favorite. That's it for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe, like, and I will be uploading more. If you enjoyed watching my makeup tutorials, let me know and I'll upload some more of those. Otherwise, I'll just continue blogging and making videos about whatever I feel like at the time. I'll see you on the next one. Now we're done. Bye, guys.